Hi, I'm Robyn one of the ICT Category Buyers at YPO. 976 Network Connectivity and Telecommunication Solutions is our latest addition to the ICT framework range. Live from October 2020 and in place for 4 years, it's now available to use by all public sector organisations. Here's some top tips and information on how to utilise the framework agreement. There are 7 lots in total. Lots 1 to 3 cover connectivity services, including WAN, LAN and the provision of digital fibre infrastructure. Lot 4 is for the provision of smart cities and the Internet of Things, where a supplier can assist you with the digital transformation into a smart environment. Lot 5 covers cybersecurity, including software, testing services, training and more. Lot 6 covers all your communication requirements from contact centre solutions, IP cloud telephony, unified comms through to assisting you with the switchover from the legacy fixed line services. Finally, Lot 7 covers mobile, voice and data solutions. The scope of each lot includes products, works and services and has been written to allow you to tailor to your specific requirements, including technology available now and that which evolves over the lifetime of the framework agreement. We've listened to your customer feedback and so you'll find both direct award and further competition options available. To make buying even easier, you can run a multi-lot call-off on 2 or more lots, meaning you can obtain all your connectivity and telecommunication requirements in just one single procurement. YPO have completed a full OG process and evaluation on all awarded suppliers so you can call off compliantly in whichever way suits you best, either direct award to a chosen supplier or running a further competitive process. For even more flexibility, there's unlimited call-off contract lengths and a total of 38 suppliers which you can choose from. The idea of purchasing these kind of services can be scary, but they shouldn't be. Make use of the supplier's knowledge and expertise, pre-engage and ask all the questions you need to find a solution that fits best for you. If you can demonstrate best value by using direct award, then don't be afraid to use this option. You will be responsible for the assessment of the suppliers, but we can provide you with the information available to do so. The ICT Procurement Services team are on hand for any procurement advice. We can provide template documents, assist with running your competition and be involved as much or as little as you require from us, all free of charge. This framework was built from customer and supplier pre-engagement, creating a wide scope and simplified lot structure which is fit for purpose and easy to use for everyone involved. It's free to use by all UK public sector bodies, including all the support that we can provide. We always strive to ensure best value and that's why you'll find a low supplier rebate charge of just 0.75%. As a not-for-profit organisation, this money goes back into the public purse, enabling YPO's growth and also providing a loyalty scheme to our customers. YPO have done all the hard work up front, completing a full tender process and awarding suppliers based on evaluation over cost and quality, whilst also running our own supplier management and carrying out monthly monitoring checks. With a choice of suppliers, ways to call off and unlimited call-off lengths, it really couldn't be any easier to purchase from. If you'd like to know more about the framework, you can visit the webpage where you'll find resources about the solutions, suppliers and all the documents you need to get you started. Alternatively, you can contact the team at itservices@ypo.co.uk where we'll be happy to assist you get your procurement on its way.